Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this first push down is an A. I still think this is a wave B. Maybe it's a 1-2, but I think it's more likely an A and a B. And I still think this is more likely to go down to make a big wave C. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this right here as a downtrend. I think it's still a wave 1. I still think this push up right here was a correction, wave 2. I still think this is more likely over the coming months to continue to go down in a big wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of wave C. So heading all the way down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, originally I was thinking this would go up and take out this high and be an expanded flat, but I actually see what happened now is most likely this first push down is a 1. Most likely this is an A, 3 waves down for a B, and then impulsive up for a wave C. Lower low wave C, lower low wave or lower low wave B, lower low wave C compared to the wave A. It's most likely not an expanding flat. Most likely it is a running flat wave C. And most likely this is already in a downtrend, and it should on these higher time frames continue to make lower lows, lower highs in a big old wave 3. So taking a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is very clearly the end of a correction, end of a running flat wave C. And we do have a nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So I mean it does have 5 waves, so you maybe, just maybe it will now make a correction to this move down before it keeps on going. But until I actually see a break of structure, which I definitely do not see yet, I would definitely still be very bearish. If this is the end of a correction, then it's probably likely to go down and take out these lows before we do see a significant pullback. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, it does kind of look like, because of the 5 ways down, that it may go up. But until it actually breaks structure to the upside, which this is my most recent structure, I personally would still be looking for sorts in a downtrend. It is probably more likely that it will just make another lower high and just keep on going down. Now if it does go up, if it does break structure, then okay, then you would probably know at that point that it's at least going to go to the 38% minimum, probably make some sort of an A, a B, and a C correction before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. So as long as you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be able to tell whether it's actually going to go up and make a much bigger move to the upside, or whether it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs. I personally would definitely continue to look for sorts, especially if you do not see a structure break to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program at fxpipcollector.com if you would like access to all my trade setups and my live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.